Hey, Vision Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Big news today, we finally have a real look at the highly anticipated iPhone SE 4. After months of leaks, speculation, and rumors, a hands-on image has surfaced, giving us a clear idea of what Apple's next budget-friendly phone will look like. And trust me, there are some surprises you won't want to miss. The first thing that stands out is the sleek black color, which looks stunning and will be one of the official launch options. But the biggest change is on the front. Yes, the iPhone SE 4 has a notch. Apple is finally moving away from the thick bezels of the previous SE models and adopting a design language similar to the iPhone 14, offering a more immersive display experience. Turning the phone around, we see another refinement. The camera bump is now more flush with the back panel, giving it a cleaner, more premium look. One of the most exciting confirmations from this leak is the addition of the Action button, just like in the iPhone 15 Pro models, allowing users to set custom shortcuts and enhance usability. Another big upgrade is wireless charging support, as seen in the leaked image of the phone inside a clear case, making the SE 4 even more future-proof. Size-wise, leaks suggest the SE 4 might be slightly smaller than the iPhone 16 while maintaining a single camera setup on the back for a simple yet efficient design. Performance-wise, reports indicate it will be powered by the A18 chip with 8GB of RAM, making it as powerful as the iPhone 16 and possibly introducing more advanced AI features. However, this performance boost might come with a slight price increase. Another major development is that the iPhone SE 4 could be the first iPhone to feature Apple's in-house 5G modem, a move that could set the stage for its inclusion in future iPhones. With all these upgrades, the price is expected to rise slightly compared to previous SE models, but it will still be one of the most affordable ways to experience iOS. If you're considering buying the current SE, now might be the time, as stocks are running low globally, hinting that Apple is preparing to launch the SE 4 soon. So, what do you think about the new iPhone SE 4? Are you excited about the redesign and new features, or do you prefer the classic Touch ID style? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.